Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can replace a headlight assembly for a 2010 Toyota Corolla. If you have a foggy headlight that is beyond repair or cleaning, or you have a broken headlight, you can actually watch this video as a reference to help you in replacing your headlight assembly. And I got this high performance headlight assembly sent to me by Auxito. They are the sponsor of this video and they have quality LED lights and headlight assembly on their website www.auxito.com. You can check it out. And with these high performance headlight they sent to me, it's a crystal clear. It has also have a black background which makes it unique, and the sleek design it comes with is just something that is so loving for me. This is a perfect fit for 2009 to 2010 Toyota Corolla, or if you drive a Toyota Auris. This is just assembly. It doesn't come with any bulbs or LED bulbs in it. You're gonna be taking the one from your car and putting it in there. Like I said, you can check out their website and use my promo code EasyDIY to get a 15% discount. Now, in order to replace the headlight assembly, you're gonna have to remove the bumper. But instead of remove the entire bumper down, I will walk you through on how to partially remove the bumper and then take out the headlight assembly. And to do that, you're gonna have some bolts and plastic clips that you're gonna have to take out. This is like 10mm bolts, one over there, one over here, one over there as well, and that is a plastic clip that you have to take out. So in the total you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You have to take those 8 items at the top, and on the side of the bumper you have 2 clips. On the side over there you have to remove as well, and at the bottom right there there's a 10mm bolt you gotta take out as well. And once you do this, you're gonna have clearance to the bumper, and once you're able to take those ones out, there's gonna be a 10mm bolt on the side over there holding the headlight assembly, and there's gonna be another one at the top that you're gonna take out. Now the headlight assembly is made of 4 bulbs. You have the high beam, the low beam, the turn signal, and the parking light. You have to remove all the bulbs. So these are the tools required to get the job done. You're gonna need a 10mm socket and wrench. You're gonna need a plastic removing tools and a Phillips head screwdriver, and as well extra plastic retention clip in case you lose one. So at this point, all I just have to walk you through is how to take the bolts and the plastic clips at the top of the bumper out, so you can get access to the headlight assembly. So with this Phillips head screwdriver, I have an issue. I couldn't take it out because it's rusted, so I just cut through it and be able to take the clip around it out. Now I have a small space at the top of the bumper now. So the next thing I need to do is to go on the sides. So like I said, you have two clips. You have to take out the plastic clips. You just pop them, both of them out. Once that is done, you keep them somewhere, and the next thing you have to do is to get access to a 10mm bolt that is underneath the bumper over there. When that is done, now you have some room to see the headlight assembly. There's another 10mm bolt holding the headlight assembly on the side, and there's another one on the top over there that you have to take both of them out. Now that the bolts are all taken out, now you should be clear to be able to take the headlight assembly out. Just to mention, there's going to be another bolt right on the top. All you just have to do is to pull the assembly out carefully, and it's just going to come out. And that's how easy and simple it is. You don't need to drop the entire bumper before you can get it out. And since I still have all my headlights connected, I'm going to take them out one after the other, and because I'm still going to put them in the new housing I'm about to throw. And with this headlight assembly, I have LED strip connected. I just have to disconnect that as well and get the bulbs and everything around it out. Grab the new one. So first thing I need to do is to put the lights back into them. My backing light, the turn signal, the low beam, and the high beam. I throw them back all in there, and I will still leave the plastic wrap on the headlight assembly on because I don't want any scratch on it. So I'm just gonna pull the side carefully so I can reinstall it. So this is how it goes, and you push this side in first, and you walk your way around, making sure the headlight assembly sits in there perfectly. Don't need to force anything. You just, one thing I will suggest, that once you're able to align it, you put the two bolts at the top, one over there and the other one on the side, and make sure you just use it temporarily to hold it. You don't want to bolt them in, and after you make sure everything's pressed together, you now have to tighten the bolt so that the headlight assembly is secured. Now that I have tightened the headlight assembly, I can easily put the bolt and the plastic retention clip back to hold the bumper right where it was, and the side ones too. I'm gonna put them all in and make sure my bumper is secured. Now you can see this is complete. You can see how beautiful the high performance headlight assembly is looking compared to the old one. Now I just have to go on the other side and do the same thing to replace. Now the headlight assembly installation is complete. This is looking so good. I'm loving it. And if you want quality headlight assembly like this, don't forget to check www.auxito.com and use my promo code EasyDIY for 15% discount. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you again sometime.